Hey y'all, I'm Alex and I'm teaching AI Vibe Coding 2. So this is the more advanced version of the AI Coding 1 class. And in this class, we're going to get more into advanced AI prompting, how to manage workflows, how to use AI integrations in your kind of project CI/CD pipeline. We can talk about integrating more advanced APIs and kind of automate some of the processes of building our app, right? And we can do things like creating a backend database if your app requires that, and how we can use AI to automate some of those hierarchical structures for managing a database, and how to efficiently send and receive data from a server. We can tackle, in regards to that kind of back-end stuff, full stack development. So in the first course, we're doing kind of more localized applications and just kind of a front-end system. In this class, we can get into some more advanced stuff and combining the front end and the back end to make a full online application, essentially. And we can talk about how deployment works for that with AI, and hosting in something like GitHub Pages, and just kind of the publishing aspect of it altogether. So those are a couple of the concepts that we're going to get into in this advanced class, and I'm excited to teach it and excited to hang out with all you guys.